Behind every piece of fine jewelry is a skilled artisan most consumers never see, the bench jeweler. These highly trained craftspeople transform precious metals and gemstones into wearable works of art, as well as make critical after-purchase repairs. But today, the jewelry industry is facing a growing shortage of these essential professionals. Now, Jewelers Mutual, the trusted jewelry insurance leader backed by over 110 years of expertise, has invested in a forward-thinking solution. The company has committed to a record-breaking $10 million 10-year alliance with SCAD, the Savannah College of Art and Design, to support bench jeweler education.
We need over 4,000 bench jewelers a year just to maintain capacity right now. So this is just the moment to be able to invest in that next generation to make for a more innovative and prepared future for the jewelry industry.
The commitment represents the largest financial contribution ever made to SCAD's jewelry education program, the most comprehensive in North America. The investment will support several key initiatives, including the Bench Education Endowment, known as B.E.E., expanded scholarship opportunities through the Jewelers Mutual Endowed Scholarship Fund and industry donors, and ongoing financial support for state-of-the-art tools, technology, and resources, helping fill the gap in the industry. The recent dedication of the newly renamed Jewelers Mutual Studio at SCAD brought industry leaders face-to-face with the next generation of jewelry talent. Executives toured classrooms, met with students, participated in activations, and saw firsthand the impact of investing in jewelry education.
Jewelers Mutual has been so generous in connecting us with partners who can give us materials, access to internships, and other opportunities that would not have been happening.
Students are already gaining valuable hands-on experience with precious metals and gemstones donated by jewelry industry partners.
I'll be taking gold and platinum in this next fall, and a lot of those materials are being sponsored by Jewelers Mutual, so I don't have to worry about the financial stress of getting that experience.
To learn more about the initiative or get involved, visit jewelersmutual.com/SCAD.